interesting updates to talk about, as well as the possible zero allocation airdrop for the scroll airdrop for some of you or all of you. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing, I want to go and talk about the John Cena token, our community token, that we can finally see John Cena. And I will also show you other projects that I do have my money in just a second. And John Cena over here, it is doing quite good. We got 123 holders, we got buys coming in, we got sales, of course, so we got a bit of everything. And as I said, when we reach $50,000 market cap, I will be doing my first giveaway over on my Telegram community, free to join. So I will leave you all the links down below for you to go and enter. And with, you know, $100 buys makes this big candle over here that you see. All of these are done for like a $50, $100 buy. So it would be insane to go and get this. I got the allocation that I'm giving away for the 50K, and that's it. So it is a fully community driven project, nothing on my hand, just a couple of tokens that I received when creating this token over on my Terra. So yeah, that's the situation. Link is down below. Following up, I want to talk about Quinto. As we see here, I got nearly approximately $4,000 over on my Quinto airdrop situation, and I got the mining reward. So here it is a very simple airdrop, and if you wish to go and join, I will leave you my referral link down below. The minimum to enter this airdrop is a $100 deposit. That's the minimum to go and be part of this airdrop, and this is a very simple and nice project. This one is a liquidity providing protocol. So for the airdrop, as we said, we need to go and give ourselves some funds. And what is it about this? Well, first of all, it is extremely underfarmed. People that need to provide liquidity probably sometimes don't do it, and that is why it is very much underfarmed. And it is very simple. You simply deposit your USDC coin, your Ethereum, whatever you want. As we see over here, you can go and simply deposit any of these tokens that you do have, and you will be rewarded the airdrop. As we said, I do have over here on the protocol, I do have about $4,000 in stable coins, so that it doesn't go nor up nor down when it comes to a situation. And this is the first one that I do it. I'm insured up to $12.5K, so it's a nice, and this is a very nice protocol. As we said, only $100 to go and start, and this is the first protocol. The second protocol that I'm joining, not I'm joining, but I'm continuing to farm, as we see over here, is Quinto. Now, Quinto is a 2-in-1 situation. As we see here, I've got, and I provided a few liquidity in terms of USDT to USDC, once again over on stablecoins, as well as Jupiter and Solana providing liquidity. The nice thing about this one is they're both on Metera. So while I'm having this liquidity open, which is both Jupiter Sol and USDT, as we see here, they're both on Metera. I'm not doing this for fees. I'm not doing this for potential fees. As we see here, there's not many fees anyway within these two protocol. I'm doing this for the Metera points, which you do get over on Metera. And as we see over here, you can go and check the Metera point right over here. So here you click on learn more, and I will leave you the Camino wallet down below, the Camino's website down below. As we see here, all liquidity earns points as the following: 1 point per 1 TBL per day. So that is the amount of money that you put in. You get also 1,000 points per $1 of fees earned. So in this case, with my situation, I get $1 per every dollar that is within these assets. So the total of it, I approximately get 5,000 points just from this, as well as I get 1,000 points for every dollar of fees generated. So now I got 9,000 points of generated free from Jupiter and Solana. Why am I not putting all of the USDC to USDT over to Jupiter and Solana to get more out of this in terms of money that I put in? I get the same amount of points per dollar, but also the amount of fees that I generate. If I put this amount here, so 4 times what I already have now, I would be doing 4 times the fees. So way more points for Metera. It is simply because I want them to be in stablecoin. Simple as that. If I want to need it, if there's a downfall of the market, if I need it for external situation, I rather simply have it in USDT coin, and I'm getting myself the Jupiter airdrop. And this one is generating a bit of fees, not many, but a bit, as well as in the same time we are farming the season 3 point with 8,000 points per day. So I'm already doing better than the season 2, and we are talking about a possible $10, $20, $30 in Camino. So it's not really the Camino airdrop. I'm simply utilizing this to farm Metera, to get some PNL over here on Jupiter. And so if one day I will not need these funds over here, then I will reallocate all of them within the Jupiter and Solana so that I get more fees, more Metera points, and so on. But as of right now, I'm utilizing this one, and these are the points, and I'm simply utilizing for this. So these are the two main protocols that I am utilizing. Following up, we also have an interesting update over on the ZK Sync airdrop number 2. And as we see over here, there was speculation that ZK Sync airdrop number 2 would arrive. But it does seem like it's not arriving. No second airdrop. This is the founder of ZK Sync intern, as we see over here. No second airdrop, but within the crypto world, everybody says, oh, there's no airdrop, and then it ends up being an airdrop for people that utilizes, kind of like Wormhole, kind of like Bungie, and all of them. So to go and position yourself for a possible second airdrop or a community incentivization, we got the Delegate ZK Sync Nation. So this is a proposal. Now, for this one, it is very important that you vote on every single proposal that will come out. So if you come to this page, you can either delegate yourself or you can delegate me. So if you wish to go and let me vote for you, because I will take you, as we said, for example, with the Jupiter proposal, every time there is a new one, I am up to date and I will tell you go and vote. If you want over here, you simply click over here, you update the delegation, you click either to yourself, if you only vote for every single proposal that there will be, or someone else. If you wish to delegate me, make sure to do it somebody else, and you will have the possibility to go and do it. Now, if this happens, I will of course go and buy myself the ZK Sync token. Otherwise, you can go and put somebody else with the ZK token. So in this case, simply select somebody else. As we see over here, rising delegates, you can go and give it, for example, let's say that better than me. Let's go and do it to SyncSwap over here, for example. So if you want to go and give it to SyncSwap, this is their address. SyncSwap will vote on every proposal. We got a voting power, we got delegation, proposal created, etc. So this one, you can simply click over here. You can delegate the vote 0 ZK Sync to SyncSwap, delegate vote, and it will be like this. So you will have the possibility. The voting power is determined by the amount of ZK Sync token you have in your wallet. So that is your voting power. It's not you get voting power from somebody else. You have voting power depending on the amount of ZK Sync token that you have in your wallet. As of right now, if you delegate me, I have none. If you do delegate me, I will go and buy it so that we can all vote together. But if you do not want that, if you have it on your own, delegate yourself, vote every single time, or simply delegate any of these major ones over here. The delegation, the guardian, simply go and put any of them and they will for sure vote on every proposal. Next up, we also have a Supra airdrop snapshot has been taken 3 days ago, as we see over here. So if you are within the Supra airdrop, if you did farm it, then you will have the possibility to go and grab it. Talking about the Scroll airdrop 0 condition. So what are we looking at? Well, as we see over here, Scroll has announced that tomorrow it's, we got the snapshot, the votes and everything. One thing that I will take you tomorrow as well, which is very, very important, is the following. So as we see over here, we got the following over on the announcement. It doesn't load, but as we see over here, if we go over to Scroll, we can see that people will have the possibility to further their points for the new season. And we could potentially see it also over here, which I have seen it and they have highlighted over here. Scroll airdrop 2 has been announced. So these are the total marks that are there. So people with 1 to 100 marks are this total. I am within the 1000 to 2000 because I have 1600 marks approximately. So like 41 other thousand people, and then slowly going to fade because this is how much you put into a protocol. The one thing is that people will also not be able to go and claim the Scroll airdrop. For those that are not eligible in airdrop 1, marks will carry over to session 2. This means that some of these will not be able to go and claim the airdrop, depending whether it is only the first one, so somebody that literally put no effort in it, whether it is from 1 to, let's say, 500, which is the vast majority of people, or 1 to 1000, potentially could be the vast majority of people. So they're probably gonna take this out and say your points will carry in for session 2, keep on earning, and then you will be able to go and claim the airdrop season 2, which could be a bigger airdrop for this portion of people, or simply they will take away the 1.1 million token, as it is more than basically all the other ranks. So we will see about that, but somebody will not be eligible. There will be a minimum mark criteria for the season 1 airdrop, so people will not be eligible for the possible airdrop. Last but not least, we have the claiming of the mode airdrop, as we go and see over here, and I am eligible for 1600 token. So we go and claim our mode token. we go over here to the estimate, we go and confirm it. We simply need to switch over to the mode network first, which we are right now. Click claim mode. You will be able to go and see that I will confirm it, and we will claim over the airdrop. So we can add mode to the wallet, but I already have this one over here. So once you've claimed it, as we see here, it is working, it is happening, and the mode token will come to my wallet. I believe it is probably a tenner, I believe it is $10 for this airdrop. So this will also be a claiming situation for your possibility. And here we have it, 1,600 mode token, which then I can go and exchange it. I can go and send it simply on any other on the mode network, but we're probably gonna go and put it for the airdrop season 3, which if we go and check it out right here, this is the mode network website. We can go and do it directly from here. We simply join the season 3 airdrop as we have it right here, and you're able to go and stake. So we stake now, and every single procedures we can go and stake. We click over here, upgrade mode, the staking and all of this. You go through this one, you upgrade, and you are good to go. So with that said, thank you very much for watching, and let me know what you think down in comments below. See you tomorrow. Ciao guys.